agenda to our class is, number 1, welcome. 2, social emotion. 3, content. Number 4, we have objective. 5, reflection. 6, content development. Number 7, we have questions and answers. Let's continue.
Hello, 6th graders. How are you today? I'm happy to be here with you again. Welcome to a new English class. You are gonna ask, teacher, why are you using that hat? Do you know why? Because we are in a special month. For that reason, I am wearing this hat. Okay, boys and girls, today I'm gonna mention the book in which you have to work. The book you have to use in order to complete the activities for this week is Reading Paths. This is the only book you have to use today, okay? And remember, don't distract your classmates on this chat. And if you have any question to ask me related with the exercises that you have to develop, write me on this chat and I'm gonna read it. Are you ready to start? Now, boys and girls, it's time to continue with our social emotional content. Pay attention to this history and try to tell me what you understand about it. Here we go.
Search for Ping Pong on YouTube. Ping Pong. The Peacock and the Crane.
Once there was a beautiful peacock in the woods. Wow, Peacock! Your feathers are so beautiful!
Colorful and shiny. Aren't they gorgeous?
Yes, they are. I wish I could have colorful feathers just like you.
Only I, the peacock, can have these beautiful feathers. Don't even dream about it. La 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 la.
Ha! What a show-off! Ha! Ha!
Yeah, you're the best.
Whatever. The peacock went to the riverside for some water.
Who is that? A long neck and cool legs. Looks quite elegant, but I don't like the feathers, though. Hi, who are you? I've never seen you around.
I'm a crane.
A crane, huh? I'm a peacock. I have feathers that are shiny and gorgeous.
Oh, right. They look good.
The crane walked along the river.
Huh! She wasn't even surprised. Look at all these colors of the rainbow on my feathers. What's wrong with yours? They look gray and dusty.
Yes, you are very beautiful. But I don't envy you at all.
What? Don't lie. How could you not envy these beautiful feathers?
I can fly up into the sky with my wings. I travel around the world and go wherever I want.
Oh, I see.
What can you do with those feathers? Grooming and showing off? What else can you do? It seems you look good on the outside, but not inside.
The peacock felt so ashamed, he folded his feathers.
Oh, gee.
Oh, hi there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe
subscribe to our channel and
The content to this class is, what in the universe is planet Earth? As I told you at the beginning of the class, we are going to work in our reading pads. Take out that book. Let's continue. Objective, to develop reading skills. The reflection that I have for today's class is, never give up on your dreams. Now, boys and girls, tell me what do you understand about the reflection. Write your comments on this chat. So, I'm gonna point of view about it. We say, never give up on your dreams. Never stops dreaming. Why? Because as soon as possible, your dreams will come true. Bien, chicos, nunca dejen de soñar. ¿Por qué? Porque tarde o temprano, ese sueño o esos sueños que ustedes tienen se van a hacer realidad. Okay? Now, let's continue with our class. Now, it's time to start with reading comprehension and listening skills. For that reason, you have to open your reading pads, page number 42. Reading pads, page number 42. What are the pages we are going to listen and read at the same time? Page number 42, 43, 44, and 45. These are the pages we are gonna develop today. Let's start listening the first audio. Pay attention and follow the reading.
The Sun is the largest object in our solar system. It is so large that 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. The Sun is also the brightest star in our sky. Many people don't think of the Sun as a star because it looks larger and brighter than the stars we see at night. In reality, all these stars are very large, hot balls of gases, just like the Sun. They only look like tiny twinkles of light because they are much farther away from Earth. Stars, including the Sun, produce enormous amounts of light and heat. Light from the Sun is very important for us because it gives Earth the energy needed to support life. This light, however, must travel a very long distance before it reaches our planet. Sunlight travels 93 million miles in only 8 minutes to get to Earth. Light from the next closest star to Earth, Alpha Centauri, travels for 4 years before we can see it. You can tell how hot a star is by looking at the color of its light. Blue stars are the hottest, followed by white, yellow, orange, and finally red. The Sun, like most stars, is yellow. A constellation is a group of stars that, when seen from Earth, form a pattern or a shape. These groups of stars appear to form pictures in the night sky. There are many constellations, and each one of them resembles a picture imagined by somebody in the world. People from various regions and cultures imagine different pictures, even though they are seeing the same stars. Orion is one of the most recognized constellations. This constellation resembles the shape of a hunter, and it can be seen from different places throughout the world at different times of the year. Other well-known constellations include Leo, which has the shape of a lion, Scorpius, which has the shape of a scorpion, and Crux, which has the shape of a cross. Although they can be seen from Earth, the stars that make up these constellations are not part of our solar system. The Sun is the only star in our solar system. 8 planets travel around the Sun in separate paths, called orbits. These planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The 4 planets closest to the Sun are called terrestrial planets. These planets have a compact, rocky surface. The terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. It's also the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury has many craters on its surface and a very thin atmosphere, so it has little protection against the heat of the sun. Venus is the second planet from the sun. This planet is about the same size as Earth and was formed at about the same time. Venus looks like a giant desert with many clouds above it. These clouds trap a great deal of heat, causing Venus to be the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. Venus's clouds also reflect sunlight off the planet, making Venus one of the brightest objects seen from Earth in the night sky. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that provides the oxygen that humans need to breathe. It is also the only planet that has water in its oceans. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon. The last of the terrestrial planets, fourth from the Sun, is Mars. Mars is similar to Earth in many ways. It has many similar surface features, including enormous volcanoes and canyons. Mars is called the red planet because it looks red when seen from Earth in the night sky. Exploration of the surface of Mars has shown no evidence of life. Mars has two satellites or moons, Phobos and Deimos. The 4 planets farthest from the Sun are gaseous planets. These planets are known as the gas giants because they are all gigantic compared to Earth, and they are made mostly of gas. Some of them also have a small center made out of rock. These gas giants are located very far from the Sun and from one another. The gaseous planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest planet in our solar system. Its atmosphere has powerful winds, lightning, and storms. Satellite photographs of the planet show a large red spot on the planet's surface. It is referred to as the Great Red Spot, and it is actually a storm that has been forming for more than 300 years. Jupiter has 4 large moons and many smaller ones. The planet is surrounded by small rings made of tiny grains of rocky material. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. It has a large system of rings made mostly of ice chunks and dust. Saturn has dozens of moons orbiting it. Uranus is the 3rd largest planet in our solar system and the 2nd farthest planet from the Sun. Its atmosphere is made mostly of ice and gas, which provide its blue-green color. Uranus's atmosphere is the coldest in our solar system. Like other gas giants, Uranus has a ring system and many moons. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. Like Uranus, it is mostly made up of gas and ice. It has the strongest winds of any planet in the solar system. Neptune has a very small system of rings and at least 13 moons.
Well, boys and girls, we are going to continue working on this activity. As you can see in the presentation, we have some sentences you have to complete. And on this side, we have the words you are going to use. Let's read the instruction in order to understand better. It says, choose the correct words from the box to fill in the blanks. What are the words? Asteroids, atmosphere, celestial body, comets, constellation, dwarf planets, galaxy, gaseous planets, meteoroids, moons, satellite, solar system, star, terrestrial planets, and universe. These are the words you have to use to complete each of these sentences. How many sentences do we have here? 15. Let's start with number 1. And pay attention in order you can take notes. Earth has one natural. What is the correct word that you have to write in here? Earth has one natural satellite that moves around it. Satellite. Write on this space. Satellite. This word. Okay. Number 2. The sun is the brightest star in our sky. A star is the next one. Number 3. The 4 planets closest to the sun are the terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets. Number 4. Rocky objects that orbit the sun are called asteroids. Asteroids. This one, asteroids. 5. It is believed that the Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life. Solar system. Number 6. Jupiter has 4 large moons. Moons. 7. Pluto is now considered to be one of the dwarfed planets in our solar system. Number 8. The universe is number 8, is the totality of all things that exist. Number 9, the moon is the only celestial body except for Earth on which humans have set foot. 10. A constellation is a group of stars that form a pattern when seen from Earth. 11. Most meteoroids are not larger than a pebble. Meteoroids. Here. Number 12, the 4 planets farthest from the sun are the gaseous planets. Gaseous planets. Then we have in here number 13. Comets are sometimes described as dirty snowballs. 14. A galaxy is a group of planets, stars, gas, and dust. And the last one, that is number 15. The atmosphere is a layer of gases that surrounds the Earth's surface. So, boys and girls, this is all for this exercise, but we are going to read each of these sentences one more time. Please, everyone, read the sentences. Number 1. Earth has one natural satellite that moves around it. Number 2. The sun is the brightest star in our sky. 3. The 4 planets closest to the sun are the terrestrial planets. 4. Rocky objects that orbit the sun are called asteroids. 5. It is believed that Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life. 6. Jupiter has 4 large moons. 7. Pluto is now considered to be one of the dwarf planets in our solar system. 8. The universe is the totality of all things that exist. 9. The moon is the only celestial body except for Earth on which humans have set foot. 10. A constellation is a group of stars that form a pattern when seen from Earth. 11. Most meteoroids are not larger than a pebble. 12. The 4 planets farthest from the sun are the gaseous planets. 13. Comets are sometimes described as dirty snowballs. 14. A galaxy is a group of planets, stars, gas, and dust. 15. The atmosphere is a layer of gases that surrounds the Earth's surface. So, if you have any question about the complement for this exercise or for these sentences, you can write me on this chat. So, boys and girls, this is all for today. Let's continue. For today, class, thank you for your participation and for your attention during this time. We are going to continue the next week with our review to our English exam. Have a nice day. Take care. And remember, if you have any question to ask me related with the activity we developed, you can write me on this chat. Bye-bye. Take care.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold